Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I am getting baby boy ready to go back to school. Laundry, now it includes meal prepping. So Spence, you're gonna do chicken, broccoli, pasta. Okay. And since you've been doing it, you've realized that you feel healthier and your workout's better and you're getting bigger without fat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, come on in here because you're going to do this today. So let's season your chicken first. You really like your chicken with this Montreal chicken seasoning, right? Or are we doing this? Are we making our own for the chicken? Let's make our own for the chicken and we'll use this for the broccoli.
All right.
Okay. Okay, so you have cubed your chicken. I'm going to tilt this down. Good morning, everybody. Okay, you have cubed your chicken. So let's put that in a plastic bag. And we'll get it ready to season. Good morning, Gigi, and good morning, Beverly. Okay, so this goes into the dishwasher because we had chicken on it, of course. Let me wipe up around it. Spencer, I have to say, I have really enjoyed meal prepping with you because we don't get to spend that much time together anymore. Okay, so Spence, let's make what, just take some things people ask a lot about seasoning. We're going to make a seasoning to go on the chicken just out of stuff that we know that he likes. We're going to start with some salt and pepper. We're going to mix it in this, but I'm going to put about a tablespoon of pepper and about a tablespoon of salt. Okay. And let's put a tablespoon of garlic powder. We know you like that.
Everybody likes that.
Everybody likes that. You know what? I like a tablespoon and a half. Okay. I also found in the pantry some garlic rosemary seasoning. It's by Tones. We're going to put a little bit of that in it. Not a lot because rosemary's pretty pungent. Let's do about 2 teaspoons. Roundabout. And that's how you want to make your dry seasonings, just out of stuff that you like. Now, Spencer does not like onion. But we're going to put a teaspoon of onion powder just for flavor.
Ugh.
I know.
That's terrible.
You have to have a little bit of that in here. Okay, so drizzle this.
That smells horrible.
Drizzle into the bag. I'm just going to mix this. Drizzle into the bag just a little bit of olive oil. About a tablespoon should do it. Yep. And then let's toss this in there. And then we'll give this a toss and set it to the side. Now, if you want to grab your broccoli, and we're going to do the broccoli in a bag as well. Get these good mixed up. So every piece of chicken is coated. Now, Spencer, to this, you're going to drizzle some olive oil.
You got some more cookie spray?
No, that's it. Bring it up. No, it's right here on the cabinet.
Oh.
I'll take care of that. You do this. So to your broccoli, you want to drizzle about a tablespoon or 2. A little more. And then let's give that a toss. And to that, let's add in your Montreal steak seasoning. Go ahead. I'd probably do the other side of that and maybe do about 2 tablespoons. Put it in your fist. There you go. I'd do 1 more of those. Okay. I'm going to toss this around, make sure all the broccoli gets coated. Now look, I learned something about baby boy today. He likes to cut the broccoli really small, like that. And it's fresh broccoli because it gets more done in the oven. It gets more crispy, each piece. So if you want to grab, since my hands are goopy, if you want to grab that pan and give it a spray. We're coating the pans with heavy foil because honestly, with college age boys, if
Takes a lot of time.
if they're gonna repeat it by themselves, then you know the tinfoil's such an easier cleanup. Okay, so we're gonna line this one with broccoli, cut in dish and spread it out. This is gonna go into a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes.
This one's about.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so to that, let's do your chicken. Same thing, spray that. Now, we're gonna do pasta as a side, whole wheat pasta. And the water's boiling, and I put some salt in the water. And we're literally just gonna toss that with some Italian seasoning, some Parmesan cheese, and just a tad bit of half and half, which is fat-free. Okay, so let's pour this chicken onto here. Now, Spencer, has this been filling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you're eating it for one meal per day?
Yeah.
You might want to shake a little bit more.
Yeah, we didn't get enough on there. Which one we put on there?
We know what we made it, so let me just toss it around a little bit. There you go. That's better. Now,
We
all right.
put a little more on there.
All right, we'll put a little bit more of that. Shake a little bit more of that rosemary and garlic on there. This also is going into a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, when the chicken's done, you'll know it. Take out a piece and cut it. And then I'll show a picture when we get it all plated up, what that looks like. And as far as Super Bowl goes today, yesterday I did fried apple pies. We've got meatballs in the crock pot. And then I'm gonna do just some cheese and crackers and pepperonis and that kind of thing. A little bit of pepper jelly. Anyway, that's what we're doing in our kitchen today. This is the healthier alternative. You're gonna put that in the top oven. Let's set the timer for 30 minutes. You're gonna put the broccoli in the bottom. And we're gonna set that timer for 40 minutes. So if it's something that you want to do for the week and keep it healthy, this is a great way to do it. Yeah, go ahead. And it's fun doing it with your family in the kitchen. So hopefully, he'll retain some of this and he'll be able to repeat it when appropriate. Anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day, a wonderful Super Bowl day. That's what we're doing in my kitchen this morning. I'll show you a picture of it. I'll post it underneath the blog, and I'll also post a picture to Instagram of what. Let's see,
Crush up flavored Doritos and cover your chicken pieces in it.
Ooh, you could still do that.
I don't have any Doritos.
Yeah, I do. I think I have little bags. Okay, that'll be next week. We'll do that.
That sounds pretty
That
good.
does sound good. We'll run it through the food processor and make it crummy. That's a great idea, whoever said that. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. Let's see. Alan Pegg Sharpton said that. That's a great idea.
Sounds awesome.
And it also helps you use up those chips where there's just a little bit left. So, you know what I mean? Anyway, Spencer, say goodbye. Put your face in here so they can see you.
Yeah, like squat down. And
Yeah, well, let's see. Hold on. Yeah, here we go.
There we go.
Okay, so meal prep with baby boy. We'll see y'all a little later, and we'll post a picture. Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm back with meal prep with baby boy. And where is the hot thing, Spence?
Put it up.
Okay. Hey, anyway, we are plating up the rest of this broccoli. I did want to tell y'all though, if you really are serious about meal prepping, ooh, that's hot. We got 5 meals out of 4 chicken breasts.
Yeah.
How many
They're big
ounces?
though. They're like 5 pounds.
Check that
They're like 5
ounces
pounds.
on that box of spaghetti. 2 large heads of fresh broccoli. And what's the ounces on that, honey?
They're a pound.
A pound of
We did a pound and a half.
No, we only did half of one and half of another, so we got
I did the whole thing in that one.
I know, but it was what was left spaghetti
Alright.
of whole wheat spaghetti, of whole wheat pasta, and there you have it.
Damn, we just dropped stuff.
Hey, how about getting that sweeper? There you have it. 5 days worth of healthy eating. That was easy. It will be tasty. And yeah. So that's what it looks like. I'll post a pic. Also, I'm getting ready to try my first try at. Here, take that. Oh, get the towel. That's all of it, honey.
You can get it all. That's the good stuff right there. That's the crunchy stuff.
Lord Jesus, help me. Help me.
Well, put it in that one.
You about to get on my nerves. We've had too much alone time in the kitchen. Here.
Look, that's the good
You know
stuff.
what? I'm going to let you do it. Anyway, after 45 minutes in the kitchen with this one, we're probably going to argue. Anyway, that's meal prepping 101. Spence,
This is the good stuff right
take this from me. Get that towel and take this from me. Dear gosh. Meal prep 101. There you have it. 5 plates to send back to school. 5 days of at least a really good, healthy, hearty meal. And there you have it. These came from Amazon. And then he can just pop them in the microwave and be ready to go. We don't have to wash that. That's the whole reason of putting the tin full. You doing the washing. Anyway, I'll be back live with y'all in a few minutes to try my first try
Yeah, I get a little rinse off, you know.
using my Instapot that the boys gave me for Christmas. I'm going to do spaghetti chicken. And I'm going to prep that when he gets the heck out of my way. Here you go. Knock yourself out with them dishes there,
Hey,
pal.
why don't you pick up that broccoli you spilled there?
Take this from me. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Meal prep. Hey, I didn't get a picture. Take the lid off of one of them, we'll get a picture. All right, anyway, I'll show you a picture of that. It's here. Anyway, y'all have a good one.
You didn't put them on.